So start with the primer. I'm doing that first because my face is dry, and as you know, I use an oil primer. And then I am going into the L'Oreal Lacquer Liner in Blackest Black, and that is to start as a base, using the Sultry palette as well. I did use the Louise Base and then the L'Oreal Lacquer Liner all over the lid, and then that one color from the Sultry palette, and then the cream color from the Sultry palette, and then the black from the Sultry palette. The focus that I wanted this to be on is the black glitter that's going to be on the lid. It's a flat black glitter, so it just reflects light. It's not holographic or iridescent, anything like that. It's called Back in Black by Lit Cosmetics. It's really nice because it actually gives the smoky eye a wet look. So that's a tip I can give you if you want to get a wet look without using a legitimate lip gloss, because I know that can be really gross feeling and it doesn't last long. I would recommend using the same color as the eye. So if you're doing a purple eye, do a flat purple glitter, and it will, in my opinion, look wet. As you can see here, I'm just applying that black shadow. I do really like the black shadow from the Sultry palette. It is very dark. And this is pretty basic. I mean, a crease color, a lid color, a brow bone color. I'm not doing anything crazy here. And I find with these, it's just nice to keep blending. And then I'm applying the JD Glow Glitter Tube in Orgasmic on the inner corner. However, this is the NYX Glitter Primer, by the way. However, I do change that to the Femme Couture Glitter Liquid Eyeliner in Chain Reaction. So I apply the Back in Black Lit Cosmetics glitter in size 3, I think. I'll put it in the description. And then I will go ahead and I will change the glitter on the inner corner. I'll just put it right over the JD Glow one to the Femme Couture one, because I wanted it to be more silver than gold. I think you can still get the Femme Couture line at Sally's. I'm not sure, but any silver glitter liner will work, honestly. Now I think is when I am doing the switch. Yeah, I'm just putting it right over top of it, and that's in Chain Reaction. Now to blend that, I put on the liquid eyeliner on the inner corner, and then I take a little bit of that black glitter on just my pinky finger, and I'll pop it on top of the liquid eyeliner, so it'll kind of be meshed in. The black glitter will be meshed in with the silver glitter. I hope that makes sense. And then I'm just concealing using the Urban Decay Naked Skin. I got to a point where I was like, let me conceal wherever there's glitter fallout. I stopped caring about the glitter fallout after a while, and I decided I was just going to do freckles at the end of it and make the glitter fallout look like it was a birthmark or freckles. So then I'm going to do the foundation after I've got the concealer all on. As you can see, I love Twilight Zone by Golden Earring. I am just giving it my life. It is such a good song, and it just feels like I want to party when listening to it. And I'm using the usual Conceal and Define Foundation by Makeup Revolution. And then when I'm done blending all this out, I will go back in with a white concealer under my eyes because I like a really bright under eye. And that is the Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution. And I'll blend that out. I think I blend that out off camera. Yeah. Good to go. And then I am doing the Studio Fix powder by MAC, and that is in Shivering White under the eye, and I put that on the chin. I forgot to do the middle of the forehead, but whatever. And then I'm setting with Coty Airspun, and then I am going to be using the Ulta gel eyeliner. It's the black one. I'll put the name of it down below. Really nice. I absolutely love that eyeliner. I didn't think I would. It came with a kit. However, I really do. It's pretty. This is how I blend out my under eyes. I've been doing this since I was 13. I don't do it on clients, of course, but I find on myself if I use a brush to blend my under eye, then it can start to kind of travel down my eye, which I like, travel down into my under eye bag, which I don't like. And then I use the Phoera Magnificent Metals. It's like a Stila dupe. It's from Wish, actually, if you could believe it. And that is in Midnight, I think, under the eye. And then I take the silver. Oh, and this is Butter Bronzer, by the way. And then I take the Silver Chain Reaction by Femme Couture, and I put that under the eye as well, too. I didn't want to use the actual glitter that I have on my lid under my eye, so that's why I used the Phoera, whatever the name is down below. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution I Want Candy Blush in pink, and then the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost highlighter palette. I don't like these. I will be putting a review up soon.
All these men wanna holler, your girl got long dollars, Giuseppe, Louis, and Prada. Be real, hoes cheap, the thing there. Never let a man that he can't pay my bills. Boy, I ain't tripping about no dollar, feeling down, do all of my Balenciaga. You come too rich, you can hit it with a corner. Ask me gonna get it from my mama, the B-town. That's what you looking, we don't pop pills, we be popping pussy, pretty bitch strap. All my bitches rap, if you better money, bitch, I'm everywhere fast. Somebody please tell me broke hoes who the fuck I am. And I'm granted, one night, I don't fuck no friends. I'm ready, bitch, yes I am. Fucking so much cash in my mind, I don't fuck no man, yeah.
So using that Jeffree Star Supreme Frost all over my forehead, the palette, the Northern Lights palette, I really do not like these. I find them, there's not a lot of sparkle, and I thought these were gel hybrid. I ended up, Jeffree said they were a gel hybrid. Either way, I was thinking something like the Stila or, you know, something like that, the new Fenty Diamond Bomb highlighter, but they're not like that at all. They're quite hard, quite stiff, I find. But I will be, and then I will be doing a video on those, but I did move into the Skin Frost and Sarcophagus. This is, so I use Sarcophagus all over my forehead and just as kind of like a bronzer highlight. This, though, is Glow Cane by the Crown Case. I love this. This is similar to my ever so favorite Danessa Myricks Inlight powder, but the Crown Case, Glow Cane, and their loose highlighters are very gorgeous. I wanted to do really, really wet skin, so I did it all over my cheeks, like I usually do. I mean, I say I wanted to do wet skin, but I always do this. And then I put it on my nose and in the middle of my forehead. This is a regular highlighting for me. I like it to be that much. And then I'm just rubbing in a Makeup Revolution pigment all over my bod. Using Jeffree Star Weirdo on the lips. I'm wearing a tube top, by the way. Looks like I'm wearing nothing, but I swear there's a tube top. Some lashes. I did curl my lashes and put on mascara as well. But this is where I do the freckles. because a bitch had so much glitter follow everywhere. I hope you guys liked the video. It's almost over. I just threw on some Joe Fresh gloss. But yeah, the freckles were Suede by Fenty, the Matchstick. I thought they looked cute. I have freckles anyway for real, so as you could see by my shoulders and when my makeup's not on, in the summertime they really come out. So I thought I'd chuck them on because I didn't want to worry about the glitter fallout. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.